Welcome to Living Large Camping. After 3 months in Texas renovating our 2004 truck camper, we packed up and headed to our favorite state to spend a month in the beautiful mountains of Colorado. We're ready to test the limits of our camper and can't wait to bring you along for the entire journey. Subscribe if you're new here, and thanks for watching. Here it is. We are finally back in Colorado. It's been since the start of June since we were back in the Denver area. We won't be there for a couple days, but we will be spending all of February in this beautiful state. It's also 36 degrees out and I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, so I'm a little underdressed.
Constantly popping my ears because the elevation change. We are so excited to be here. Can't wait to take you guys snow camping and whatever else Colorado has in store for us.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Can live without.
Made it to camp.
Squeaky. Also, very chilly. But tonight we're going to be making a yummy soup, so we can't wait to show you guys that and just enjoy snow camping.
It's getting cold out here, but we have been so excited to come and snow camp with this setup. We did it in the pop-up camper close to a year ago now, actually, and have been waiting to do it ever since. So, excited for tonight.
You must be working way overtime. Around five's when you always call. You must be tired standing in line, waiting for something you don't even know. Beautiful, I'll be around, and I know just what you need when things start to fall.
Also, if you guys were worried at all, even though it's cold, we got Barkley a little jacket. He loves actually putting these on. I think he knows it's for the best. So let's get this on him and play in the snow. Oh, so handsome. Good boy. Come here.
Alright, we are finally warming up a little bit in here and getting everything organized and unpacked and kind of ready to go. But wow, it is so pretty out here. There's still about 6 inches of snow on the ground, and we are excited for a yummy, warm meal and to just enjoy some time being around snow.
Yeah, we've absolutely missed the snow. It's gorgeous, and it's good to be back in the mountains.
Very so. Very much so. We're gonna finish cleaning up here and then we'll start cooking some dinner. It's supposed to get in the low 20s tonight, so it's definitely gonna be the coldest that we have ever camped in our Lance truck camper. Hopefully the heater will stay on, our batteries don't freeze, but time will tell. We'll figure that out when we get there.
We'll give you an honest review in the morning, we promise. Well, we haven't really been feeling the greatest, so we're gonna make a hot toddy to warm us up, and because it tastes delicious. Cheers to camping in the snow.
Back in Colorado.
Now that we have warmed up a little bit with our cocktail, Doggy's gotten his blanket, we are going to make our soup. We're not following any recipe, we're just kind of making it up. We're just putting in ingredients that we love.
Yeah, we just walked around the store, anything that looked good and was relatively cheap, we decided to grab, and it's all going in a big pot. It's gonna sit for a while, and then we're gonna enjoy it.
Let's get to it.
Hungry? Well, nothing too intricate for dinner tonight, but it looks warm and hearty, and I'm excited to eat it.
See what we got. Alright, we're gonna finish eating and we'll pick you guys back up after we do the dishes.
That meal turned out about as expected. It was still pretty good, and we'll enjoy the leftovers tomorrow. But for now, we're gonna relax, maybe do some reading, kick the heater on because it's starting to drop very quickly in here.
Yep.
And
Yeah,
then
it is. It's getting chilly.
we will see you guys in the morning. We're gonna get very cold tonight, but tomorrow's gonna be a great day.
Hopefully it's a good night's sleep and we feel better in the morning.
Good night, guys.
Good night. Good morning. Come on, move.
It's cold out here.
I can see your breath.
It says like 14, but I think the camper handled the cold extremely well. We definitely hit Colorado running. We are in Pine, which is about 8,000 feet elevation. There's still a solid, 6 inches of snow or so on the ground, but it's as pretty as ever. The camper handled the cold great last night. Probably went through about a quarter bottle of propane and about 20% of our batteries running the heater, but that kept the moisture down inside, it kept us warmer, and just allows us to do these awesome things. So it's definitely a huge upgrade from the pop-up camper whenever we camped in the snow last year, and it's definitely gonna allow us to do more of this stuff and explore this beautiful state during the snow. But as for now, I think it's time to go outside, make a fire this morning. Spilled. Alright, so I got this little torch thing from my dad for Christmas. Let's see if it works. Alright, this thing's pretty sweet. I think it just takes like Zippo lighter fluid and refills it, but it's going to make starting fires in the cold very easy. I'll link it down in the description below if you want to check one out for yourself.
Layering up. Fire looks great.
was night number 1.
So good. Camper stayed so much warmer than I expected. Much better than the pop-up, like you said earlier. Yeah, ready for more?
I have 2 sweaters on, guys. I don't know about you, but I think it looks like snowshine.
We love some snowshine. In our chairs and enjoy some of the snowshine. I didn't mean to say that.
We're about done with the fire this morning, and we don't have any service here, and we're out of food, so we're gonna head into town, get some groceries, and figure out a plan for the next couple of nights. But we are loving this area and just loving being back in Colorado.
Stay tuned for more snow camping videos because we absolutely love being out here in Colorado because it's sunny, beautiful, and it just feels right. Got him. Now my hands are freezing.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for us this video. We're headed into town to try to figure out our plan for the next couple of days, recoup, get some groceries, and warm up just a little bit. But I hope you enjoyed coming on this snow camping adventure. We have lots more of them planned, so we hope you will stay tuned for those videos to come.
We absolutely love snow camping. We have missed it, and we've been itching to get back out here. And last night we were actually surprisingly very warm. So we can't wait for future camping.
If you're still here at the end of this video, we would love it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We really enjoy making these videos for you and have a full year of them planned ahead. So we hope you'll stick along with us. And as always, hope you have a large day.
Thanks, guys. See you next time.